Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
Today, we will practice English together.
Yes, we will have a simple, friendly, daily conversation.
Like talking with a friend.
So relax, listen, and speak with us.
And if you enjoy learning English like this,
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
okay, let's start.
Hey, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. A little tired, but happy.
Tired but happy. That's a good combination.
Yes, life is like that sometimes.
So, Alice, what did you do today?
Today I woke up late.
Oh, really?
Yes, I woke up at 10 a.m.
Wow, that is late.
Yes, I know.
Okay, let's say it slowly. I woke up at 10 a.m.
I woke up at 10 a.m.
Good.
Then I had breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate bread and eggs and tea.
Nice, simple and good.
Yes, what about you?
I woke up early
What time?
at 7 a.m.
Wow, very early.
Yes, I like mornings.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, answer this question. What time did you wake up today?
Say it out loud.
I woke up at.
Good. One more time.
I woke up at.
I woke up at. David, do you talk to your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
How do you talk? Phone? Messages?
Mostly messages and sometimes calls.
Same here.
We are modern people.
Yes, very modern.
Let's practice some useful sentences.
Yes, repeat after us.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
I talked to my friend.
I talked to my friend. Alice, do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What is his name?
His name is Chris Evan.
Oh, nice. What do you do together?
We talk, we laugh, we drink tea.
Tea again.
Yes, tea is important.
Very important.
Now think about your friend.
Yes, your real friend.
Answer this. What is your friend's name?
Say it slowly.
My friend's name is.
Good. Very good. Alice, what do you talk about with your friends?
Many things.
Like,
Daily life, work, food, funny stories.
same. I love funny stories.
Me too. Friends plus funny stories equals happiness.
Yes, that is true.
Let's repeat one important sentence.
Yes, very useful sentence.
I like talking with my friends.
I like talking with my friends. Remember, speak English every day.
Even small sentences are okay.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, we all make mistakes.
Okay, friends, great job today.
You practiced real English conversation.
Keep practicing every day.
And tell us in the comments, who do you talk to in English?
Your friend, your teacher, or yourself?
Talking to yourself is okay too.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.